In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt to Microsoft OneDrive. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, making it easy for you to perform this connection seamlessly. Let's begin by logging into Chatgpt. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Chatgpt website. Enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to register first. Once you've logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Next, let's move on to your profile. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Now, from this menu, look for Settings. Once you click on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page where all your personal and app settings are stored. This step is crucial because this area allows you to manage integrations, which is exactly what we need to do today. Once inside the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Apps and Connectors section. Click on this option to see a list of all available apps you can connect with. Here, you'll find a range of tools that enhance your Chatgpt experience. Among this list, you'll see Microsoft OneDrive. Select OneDrive by clicking on it. After selecting OneDrive, prompts will guide you to sign in to your Microsoft account. Provide your Microsoft credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll be asked to grant Chatgpt permission to access your OneDrive. Make sure you read through the permissions requested and, if you're comfortable, authorize the connection. This step ensures that Chatgpt can interface smoothly with your OneDrive files. Alternatively, there's another way to connect OneDrive directly from the chat interface in Chatgpt. If you often find yourself within the chat window, this might be more convenient for you. Simply go into a chat and you'll notice a paperclip icon. Clicking on that will present you with an option to select OneDrive. It's important to note that this feature might not be available in all regions. If you don't see the paperclip icon or the option for OneDrive, it might be due to regional restrictions. Don't worry, the initial method I described will work regardless of your location, ensuring that everyone can achieve this connection. Once everything is set up, you should be good to go. Your Chatgpt is now seamlessly connected to your OneDrive, allowing for a more integrated and efficient handling of files between the two services. That wraps it up for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you connect Chatgpt with Microsoft OneDrive effortlessly. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.